Hello, my name is Josh Krueger. I am the owner and founder of Dotcom Design, and I wanted to just share a little about my experience in working with Geek Web Solutions. So, Dotcom Design is an agency that I started about 10 years ago. We've been working with Geek Web and Raj and his team now for well over 5 years. I would say they have been our, what I'd say, rescuers. So when we first got the agency started, we honestly did not really have uh, a super sophisticated website development process, nor did we have experts that we could lean on. And so it just seemed like early on, just year after year, we would go through new development companies trying to find someone that we could really count on to develop our websites. And we would find an agency, and they may end up being good communicators, but their team then just lacked the technical know-how to adequately develop really robust websites. And our at Dotcom Design, our attention to detail is something that is just like something very, very important to us. Um, and making sure that the websites we build meet not just a standard, but truly a standard of excellence. And what we found in Geek Web is they're the full package. Not only are they world class communicators, but they are responsive. They take accountability. They take ownership. They truly have been someone that we can count on. We go to them for support issues. We go to them for some of our simpler website builds. We've been modifying our process, and they've just been open and receptive to that, even though it maybe has meant they would get fewer hours overall with us, because we've been trying to just implement some things to be more efficient and drive down our costs. And at no point has Raj and the Geek Web team come back and given us a fit. They've always operated in a way that puts .com design first, and you just don't find that very often. At least in my experience, you don't. And so not only have they again just been all of the things I've already mentioned, but the overall just technical knowledge and know-how has also just been world class. The websites they build are rock solid, and when you look at the overall just structural integrity of their finished product, once again, it's just been world class. And so we've just really truly appreciated the partnership. We've appreciated, again, just how they communicate and their expertise, and just the way that they problem solve, and the way that they put their client ahead of even themselves. And so I'm obviously very hesitant to recommend Geek Web, only because we want to keep them to ourselves, but we realize that would be selfish of us. And so we 100% recommend Geek Web to anybody looking for a development agency. And again, as an owner of a website and digital marketing agency, what I can tell you is you don't have to look any further. Geek Web truly will be the professional outfit you're looking for, and they will be your partners. They will put you ahead of them. You will have zero issues when it comes to just communication, expertise, responsiveness. Again, all the things I've already touched on. And you can just expect that the product you get from them will also truly be world class. And so while I recommend these guys, I want to also take a moment to just say thank you. Thank you to the Geek Web team. Raj, you've been tremendous. Your team has been tremendous. We've really valued this relationship and partnership over the years. We're looking forward to figuring out how are we going to turn the corner. I know we've had some awesome conversations about just how AI is going to impact our world, and it's really been neat to see you guys already have been thinking about things like that for several years. You're not sitting back waiting to just react to that. But I also think even things like that are a tremendous asset. So again, thank you, Raj. Thank you to your entire team. Thank you for the partnership. The last 5+ years have been tremendous. We appreciate you rescuing us from the train wreck of a development situation that we were in, the many of those that we've had. And again, just want to say thank you. So, all right, take care.